Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to Prime Pick Review. Today, we're taking your workout routine to the next level with an in-depth review of the latest home fitness equipment. I'm John, and in this video, we're going to dive into the features, performance, and overall impact of this fitness gear right from the comfort of your home. Stay tuned to discover how you can elevate your fitness journey. Part 1. Unboxing and Assembly. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the package, you'll find main frame and base, adjustable seat with cushioning, handlebars with built-in heart rate sensors, digital display console with controls, resistance adjustment knob, buttons, pedals with secure straps, user manual and assembly instructions. The assembly process was surprisingly straightforward. It took me only 3 hours to get everything ready for my first workout. From connecting parts to setting up resistance levels, we'll walk you through the whole process. Part 2. Key features and functionality. Now, let's talk about the standout features of this home fitness equipment. From adjustable resistance settings to built-in workout programs, this gear offers a range of options to cater to different fitness levels. Now, let's talk about the standout features of this home fitness equipment. These features are designed to enhance your workout experience and keep you motivated throughout your fitness journey. Adjustable seat. One of the key features of this equipment is the adjustable seat. Whether you're tall or short, you can easily modify the seat height to ensure proper alignment and comfort during your workouts. This means that no matter your body type, you can maintain the correct posture for optimal results. Digital display. Next up, we have the user-friendly digital display. This intuitive interface provides essential information at a glance. You can track your time, distance, speed, and even the number of calories burned during your session. It's like having a personal workout assistant right in front of you. Heart rate monitor. And let's not forget about the heart rate monitor feature. As you grip the handles, the built-in sensors monitor your heart rate in real time. This information is crucial as it helps you gauge the intensity of your workout and ensure you're hitting your target heart rate zone for maximum efficiency. Resistance settings. Last but not least, the resistance settings. This equipment offers a range of resistance levels that you can easily adjust to tailor your workout to your fitness level. Whether you're aiming for a high-intensity session or a steady burn, the ability to tweak the resistance allows you to challenge yourself and progress over time. Whisper quiet operation. Oh, and before I forget, the whisper quiet operation is a huge plus. You can work out without disturbing your household or worrying about noise complaints from neighbors. It's perfect for early morning or late night workouts when you want to focus on your routine without any distractions. Wrap up. These features are what make this home fitness equipment a versatile and effective addition to your workout arsenal. The combination of adjustability, digital tracking, heart rate monitoring, resistance customization, and quiet operation creates a holistic fitness experience right in the comfort of your own home. Part 3. Workout experience. Time for the real test, the workout experience. Join me as we go through a sample workout session using this equipment. The smooth operation and comfortable design make each representative and movement seamless. Part 4. Pros and cons. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of this home fitness equipment. Pros. Some of the key pros are versatility, space-saving design, effective workout options, and many others. Cons. Some of the cons are limited weight capacity and learning curve for settings. So, here's the verdict. This home fitness equipment brings the gym experience to your doorstep, with its innovative features, customizable workouts, and efficient design. While it may have a few minor downsides, its positives truly make it an asset for your home workout space. Thank you for joining us for this comprehensive review of home fitness equipment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more fitness insights and reviews. Let us know in the comments below if you're considering bringing this equipment into your workout routine. Keep pushing your limits and embracing a healthier lifestyle. This is John, signing off.